Hi everyone, myself Rahul Kesate. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, ECE department. Today I am going to present PPT on the internship presentation Data Science and Machine Learning under the guidance of Professor Swapna CH, Assistant Professor, ECE department, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. These are the contents including certificate, introduction, objectives, plan of work and block diagram, algorithm, hardware and software components, advantages and disadvantages, applications, results and discussion, conclusion and references. This is the certificate given by the Crane Society Private Limited for the internship. This is the introduction part. Stock market is a trading platform where different investors sell and purchase the shares according to the stock availability. Buyers can buy with low prices and sell stocks at high prices and try to get huge profit, and sellers sell their products at high prices for profit purpose. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that can be considered as we train machines with data and analyze the future with test data. In this, we would like to explain these machine learning algorithms with the help of their working methodologies and examples. Introducing machine learning to the area of stock market has helped many researchers because of its accurate and efficient measurement. These are the objectives: to check the performance prediction of stock price and buy or sell the prediction of particular stock in the market using various machine learning, to improve prediction accuracy and to improve the enable the real time analysis, and to develop algorithms that automatically execute the trade based on predicted market movements. This is the plan of work. In week 1, Monday, we are reporting at office with all photocopies of documents, overview of company profile, and total internship schedule. Tuesday, brief introduction on data science and machine learning. Wednesday, introduction to the Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab and installation of Anaconda. Thursday, we studied the Python introduction. Friday, all data types of Python. Saturday, we exercise on Python. Next week to Monday, introduction of Python libraries. Tuesday, introduction of NumPy. Wednesday, practice and exercise on NumPy algorithms. Thursday, introduction of pandas. Friday, pandas assessment and implementation. Saturday, exercise and practice on panda NumPy libraries. And week 3, Monday, learning the concepts of machine learning. Tuesday, machine learning introductions. Wednesday, introduction some of the machine learning algorithms. Thursday, we studied the introduction 3 types of machine learning. Friday, we studied that how to implement the data set and data visualization in machine learning. Saturday, we exercised and practice on machine learning. Next week 4, Monday, sample of projects. Tuesday, assigning the projects. Wednesday, implementation of project in machine learning. And Thursday, testing of project algorithm. Friday, testing the project. Saturday, submission of project and abstract the presentation. This is the block diagram including dataset, pre-processing, training and splitting, accuracy, prediction, predicting prices, and algorithm section. This is the methodology. Methodology includes datasets collections. These modules includes the data collection and understanding the data to study the patterns and trends, which helps in prediction and evaluating the results. Next one is data pre-processing. This phase of model handles the inconsistent data in order to get more accurate and precise results. This dataset contains some missing values. Next, applying various algorithms. When data has been ready, we can apply machine learning technique. Once data is pre-processed, you can use the decision tree algorithm to build a model that can predict the future stock prices. Next, predicting the price. Once the decision tree is built, you should test the model to see how well it performs in predicting the future stock prices. Next one is accuracy. Accuracy is the important in the project to find out the stock market prices. If the model does not perform well, you may need to refine it by adjusting the parameters of decision tree algorithm, changing the variables or conditions used in the model, or using different machine learning technique altogether. Algorithm regression. Algorithm regression is used to assign the observation to separated the set of classes as classified, as we can show in the graph. Next one is the algorithm transfers its output to return a probability value with the logistic sigmoid function and predicts the largest by the concept of probability. Logistic regression is similar to linear regression model, but the logistic regression employs sigmoid function instead of logistic one with more complexity. The hypothesis behind the logistic regression tries to limit the cost function between the value of 0 and 1. These are the hardware and software components required for our project. Hardware component system Pentium i3 processor, hard disk 500 GB, monitor 15-inch LED display, input devices like keyboard, mouse, and RAM 8 GB. In software parts, operating system of Windows 10, coding language is Python, platform is Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. These are the advantages. Advantages. It allows organizations to make more informed and data-driven decisions, which can lead to improve the efficiency and productivity. It enables the organization to predict future trends and outcomes, which can help them to plan and prepare for future challenges. It organizes to personalize their products, services, and marketing campaigns to individual customers, which can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Next, it can automate repetitive tasks such as data cleaning and analysis, which can free up valuable time and resources of the customer. These are the disadvantages. It relies heavily on the quality of the data, and inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to incorrect conclusion and predictions. It involves collecting and analyzing large amounts of data, which can create privacy and security risks if the data is not properly protected. It can be influenced by biases in the data or algorithms used, which can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. It requires specialized skills and tools, which can be expensive and complex to implement. These are the applications. First one is time series analysis, analyzing the historical stock prices to identify patterns and trends and make predictions about future prices. Next one is sentiment analysis, analyzing news, articles, social media posts, and other sources of information to determine the sentiment of investors and predict how it will impact the stock market. Next one is technical analysis, using charts and other technical indicators to identify patterns and trends in stock prices and make predictions about future prices. Next one is fundamental analysis, analyzing a company's financial and economic data such as earning reports, revenue, and market share to determine its value and make predictions about its stock price. This one is result. We have performed the analysis on stock markets data that they are NSE or Tata Global. For this, we had used a logical regression. As the model, we do not have access to real-time data or the ability to make the predictions on specific stocks or markets. We have modeled logistic regressions and got the accuracy of 84.5% and got the graph also. Therefore, investors should use the caution when making investment decision based on solely on machine learning prediction and should consider other factors as well. The machine learning techniques can be useful in identifying trends and patterns in historical data. They should be used as a tool to inform the investment decision rather than sole basis for those decisions. This is the result and discussion part. Table showing the model and output. Model is logistic regression. Output is 84.6%. This is the final output graph of stock prediction. In this green color indicates the predicted data, blue indicates the completed data, and orange indicates the trained data. This one is conclusion part. The purpose of this study was prediction task of stock market movement by machine learning, and data set was based on NSE data. We suppose two approaches for input values to models, continuous data and binary data, and we employed. In this paper, we analyze the growth of companies from different sectors and try to find out which is the best time span for predicting the future price of the share. So this draws an important conclusion that companies from certain sector have the same dependencies as well as same growth rate. Next, the prediction can be more accurate if the model will train with a greater number of datasets. Moreover, in the case of prediction of various shares, there may be some scope of specification business analysis. Thank you guys.